like I'm Rick James, bitch. Ride around, getting it, blowing money on my main bitch. Oh, bumping 2 Chainz, bumping 2 Chainz, in a Range Rover, and a damn thing, and a fluke, baby, and a fluke, baby. Cause the hook game got me off the loop, baby. And I'm out of here.
Players that bore you.
Women pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it all. Whenever baby sitting, I've been lining up shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. Once you get a swimming pool full of liquor and they dive in it. Pool full of liquor, I'ma dive in it all.
Hey, Hiccup, did you know that the Smeagol bush can grow up to 3 feet tall with a hairy stem and serrated leaves?
No, I did not know that, Fishlegs, but my life is now complete with that knowledge.
Look at you, all grown up, and quite the ladies' man, I wager. Ya está bueno hacer el mar, sigue la ciudad. Pues todo tengo muy comprometido.
It's ugly! Dragons and Vikings! Enemies again!
Do you think I'm weird?
Oh yeah, no, you're fucking.
Suit of armor, strong and true. Make this metal bust a move!
How can I take it, I wonder? Dally's tougher than I am. Why can I take it when Dally can't? And then I knew Johnny was the only thing Dally loved. And now Johnny was gone.
But you say it in a tweet that's a cop-out, and I'm just like, hey, are you okay?
We about to clown.
Alright, shut up. You shut up. That's why your shoes raggedy. That's why your mama dead. Dead as hell. What shoes she got on? What shoes she had on her casket?
I hate being confused!
Really? I figured you'd be used to it by now.
Heard that!
Proud of you, Snotloud. You saved my life. Yeah, 2 times.
No, staring at that thing isn't gonna suddenly help us get out of here.
Hey, you have a better idea for whenever that sand-busting thing comes back?
Sandbuster! That's a good name.
Oh my god, you're so tall, you look like a giraffe.
That's why you dead built like a baked bean.
A baked bean! Baked bean that! Baked bean that!
Steve is a coward!
Hey, remember that time we went swimming and you tried to drown me?
Come on, howl with me. It feels good in combat.
Hiccup, this isn't a trap. Look, there.
What are you...
Hiccup! Just look! Please? It's important to keep the mind sharp. Have you ever tried that? It's cathartic. I used to think that the only deep breaths were the last ones. How's Heather?
Yeah, you know, I mean, I know you're crazy, but this takes the cake.
I am not crazy! But I do understand.
He was trying to... what you're thinking.
All I'm saying is we wouldn't be in this position if your tyrannical behavior due to your obsessive need to one-up Vigo had not driven our poor dragons to the brink of insanity.
So this basically boils down to revenge.
See? I knew you'd understand.
There'll be no revenge against Vigo Grindelwald.
What is it gonna take to catch this guy? What is it gonna take to catch this guy?
Oh, I beg to differ, my dear Hiccup.
My dear Hiccup, I am overjoyed to see you. The difference, my dear Hiccup, is Project Shellfire. As I said, my dear Hiccup.
Poor dear Hiccup. Relationships can be complicated. Am I right?
Go. I'll hold them off until you're out.
No, I'm not gonna leave you.
Hiccup, you're more ruthless than you realize. I know you will defeat Krogan and Johan.
Mais ma meilleure ennemie c'est toi. Fuis-moi. Le pire c'est toi et moi.
Et si tu cherches encore à voir, oublie-moi. Le pire c'est toi et moi.
Because the traitor dies in the end. The traitor always dies.
Why would you do that?
Because I'm nothing if not a good sport. And if I didn't, the game would end here. And what fun would that be?
I've been lining up shots. I'ma show you how to turn it up a notch. Just you get a swimming pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. Pool full of liquor, then you dive in it. I wave a few bottles, then I wash them off.
You tricked me.
Tricked you? No, I saved you.
Yo, Bay the guy that just said, he's chasing me? Oh my goodness, he's chasing me! Look at the Lord have mercy, I'm close.
Sasalele.
You idiot, it says sail, sail.
Sasalele.
Yes, babe, it's salsa lele.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
The point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not. I just want to be one of you guys.
You look so angry. Why does everyone always look at you that way?
But when does a comet become a meteor? When does a candle become a blaze? When does a man become a monster? When does a ripple become a tidal wave? When does the reason become the blame? When does a man become a monster?
That stuff can kill you from the inside, Hiccup. Revenge, anger, obsession.
Something for your
And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like,
Died and made you chief.
I guess we have something in common.
You eat popcorn when you're depressed, too?
No.
Oh, my...
And we've killed thousands of them. Ah! Get away from him! Go on, get out of here!
I will never give him up.
Hiccup! I'm not here to hurt you. You stay away from him. I'm gonna kill you! A fake dagger! A fake! I hate you! You hear me? I hate you! Enough! You know it. I know it. Burke knows it. Everyone knows it. Ah! Dad!
She asked me, what have I become? And I'm looking at her like I know this one. I'm faded. Daddy, I think I've made it. Fuck being underrated. I wanna have everything they did.
Bitches need money.
As if it wasn't much more than just a figment of his imagination, but for days it was persistent and it went. And it got louder.
B.
sometimes I feel like I'm nothing. Like, why would anyone like me? Why would anyone be with me? Why would anyone stay? Why? Why does all this happen?
Everybody clap your hands.
Stop fucking crying, bitch! Where? I don't wanna fucking hear it!
For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You throw your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Me down, don't let me down, down, down. Oh, I think I'm losing my mind now, yeah. Oh, I think I'm losing my mind now, yeah.
Look, I'll figure it out. I just need more time.
He thinks he has to lead alone. Well, because his father had to. He doesn't realize the strength you have together. Do you still believe in him?
Of course. I wish he did.
Into your dagger for the last time in a row. It's like trying to start a fire with matches in the snow, where you can't seem to hold me, can't seem to let me go. So I can't find surrender, can't keep control.
Scattered across my family line, I'm so good at telling lies. That came from my mother's side, told a million to survive. Scattered across my family line, God, I have my father's eyes, but my sisters when I cry, I can run but I can't hide from my family line, from my family line.
Be your lover on a leash every other week when you please. Oh, I could be anything you need as long as you don't leave the culprit always.
I am the king, you're just a pawn. Who's got the high ground now, Obi-Wan? With the tactics, with the tactics, with the tactics.
But if I hadn't earned $1, what would you think of your dear daughter? Would it be pity or dishonor to ensue? And if I failed to earn the ribbon, how could I ever be forgiven? Tell me what love would still be given from you. I'll go all out, ace every test, no doubt. I'll do all the rest. Don't pout or settle for second best. So I won't stop and won't lose my cool. Don't flop, 'cause Harvard's no fool. And who'll love me if I'm not the top of my school? Don't you find
I have a feeling you got everything you wanted, and you're not wasting time stuck here like me. You're just thinking
Some people lose their knife or their mug.
I don't know, nigga. You can send your best man, you gon' lose your best hitter. What the fuck is that?
Very impressive, Hiccup. Hey, Fish Legs! You need some help getting your nose out of Hiccup's... Stop out! It's okay, Hiccup.
Nice try, Fishy. This wool is mine.
I think God gave me a loving spirit because with my wit, intelligence, and ability to scheme, I would have been way too good at being very evil. Sometimes I feel the evil start to bubble up from the depths of my soul. But alas, I'm a lover at heart.
Okay, cool.
Hey, be safe. I'll be so safe. Let's stop you. Stop. I'm gonna kill you. But how would that keep us safe?